Hello children. Type of energy is used for moving the bicycles? Which type of energy is used for moving the bicycles? So we are going to use bicycles. No, most of you might be using this. So which type of energy will be used for your bicycles? Either chemical energy, mechanical energy, electrical energy, or nuclear energy. And the answer is B, that is mechanical energy. Clear children? Now 49th question. Select the incorrect statement from the following. Again here see incorrect. Incorrect. Okay. So children, every time you get such type of question, incorrect or correct statements, so you be very careful, don't get confused. Sometimes what happens, if there is incorrect statement, you will mistake it as a correct statement and then you will go with the wrong answers. No, so be very careful. Try to concentrate on which statement, whether incorrect or correct. Okay, yes, here it is incorrect statement. Safety means being careful and avoiding accidents. Okay, the first statement. Is it correct, children? Yes, this is correct. Okay. Now, B option is, there are rules and signs for safety of people on the roads. No, this is also correct. We have got rules and signboards, no, traffic signals and all that. And rules like wearing helmet, all that. And C is, we must use footpath for walking and cyclists must always keep to the left. No. So do you do this? Do you follow this, children? When you walk, you have to use footpath. And when you ride a bicycle or a cyclist, cycles in the like two-wheelers, so you have to always keep to the left. Okay. And we must cross the road as we like anywhere and everywhere. This is completely wrong, incorrect. You cannot cross the road as you like. No. So D is our answer. Clear, children? Now, 50th question. What information is not mentioned on a railway ticket? What information is not mentioned on a railway ticket? So, is it age of the persons traveling, the fare, or arrival time, or intermediate stoppage? So you have all this on the ticket, not this. Okay, intermediate stoppage. So D is the answer. The persons shown in the following figures belong to which transport system? See children, here here you can see three pictures, no, of some persons who belong to some transport system. Like, to which transport system do they belong? We have to identify. See here, this man is a coolie, like who carry luggages of the passengers, and this man is the station manager. This man is a ticket collector. Okay, so then to which transport system they belong? Obviously train. No, C is our correct answer. 52nd question. Ships with sails move by converting dash energy to dash energy. So ships are able to move. How they are able to move? By converting dash energy to dash energy. And the first option, by converting the wind energy to mechanical energy. Okay, wind energy to mechanical energy. This is the correct option. Clear, children? Now, 53rd question. The place where ships load or unload goods. The place where ships, they are going to load, they are going to get in all the goods and get down all the goods. Loading and unloading goods is known as what? Either runway, port, harbor, or both B and C. So both B and C, port or harbor. Okay children, clear? Now 54th question. Which of the following does not use air pressure to move? Here you have got four type of different transport means of transports, children. So which is not having or does not use air pressure to move? Either rockets, helicopters, parachutes or aircrafts, and the answer is rockets. Okay. 55th question. The odometer fitted in vehicles displays. So odometer. So what is odometer? What is going to it is display, which is fitted in the vehicles displays either prevailing speed of the vehicle, distance traveled by the vehicle, prevailing place where the vehicle is moving, or direction in which the vehicle is moving. Okay, and the answer is distance traveled by the vehicle. No, suppose if you are traveling in a car, you can see very well, no, near the steering, where you have got a like a machinery which we call it as odometer. So where it shows the distance which is been traveled by the vehicle. Not only car, every vehicle has got this, even our motorcycle, every vehicle has got this. Okay, now 56th question. In some parts of Kerala, we use a dash to reach school. So in some parts, no, Kerala, so what do? They are going to use some part which is made of wood to reach school. Okay, is it Jugad, Vallam, camel cart or both A and C? So it is Vallam. Now if you see Malayalam pictures, children, so you can mostly observe this thing. So where if they want to cross the water, they'll have a particular what do you say, which is constructed with wood, bridge type of they'll just have a bridge, no, which is constructed with wood. We call it as vallam. No, they'll just cross that and then they'll reach their places. Okay, that is specially for going to school. And petrol and diesel which are used for running vehicles are made by refining of. Petrol and diesel which are used for running vehicles. No. So what do we use for running our vehicles, like your motorcycles, scooters, cars, every vehicle? We use petrol and diesel. So these are made by refining of. Refining in the sense, again, making it fine. The crude oil making fine. Okay, yes. Is it vegetable oil, cooking oil, oil of white oil or petroleum? Okay, and the answer is petroleum. Okay, children, so we are going to refine the petroleum into petrol and diesel. 58th question. Long ago this bird, sorry, just a minute, children. Long ago, this bird was used as a messenger. Messages would be attached to its legs. Identify the bird. No, it was just like a postman. So it was taking messages written on paper, and it was attached to its leg. They were tying that letter to the leg, to this bird's leg, and it was carrying that letter, and it was reaching the destination. So which bird used to carry these messages? Is it pigeon, eagle, vulture or parrot? And the answer is A, that is pigeon. Clear, children? Now 59th question. Which one is the odd one out? Which one is the odd one? Odd one which is different from the others. No. So actually you are having 4 vehicles here. So which is different from the others? So ambulance, fire engine, tractor and school bus. Now see here, ambulance will carry patients. So again, fire engines, they are used to put off the fire. Tractor is used for agriculture purpose and sometimes for carrying the goods also. For plowing and all that also we'll use tractor. No. And school bus. So what is the school bus? Where school students are going to travel. So which is odd one, children? Which is going to carry the passengers here? The school bus. No. Yes. So that is why D is the correct answer. Okay, children. So are you clear with all these questions and answers? So hope you had a clear understanding. We'll be continuing in another session. So until then, take care and goodbye.